So 12th standard physics volume 2 unit 6 ray and optics book back answers we are seeing. So in the continue way, page number 49 short answers questions, they are giving 30 questions. Okay, so where the answers in the book content, so we go for found. So all the answers, I write the page number here, you can stop it and you can write it. Okay, just noted one, I note it in the book side also. Okay, so you can stop the page numbers and write it down. Okay, this one is page number 2 6 8 next fourth question is 13, fifth question 14. So continuously you just stop that wherever you need which question you want to take the answers. Okay, so slowly you can make your video speed, slow your video speed and write the questions where it is from the book content. Okay, so we continuously see all the answers where we are getting the questions. So the first question is, what is the angle of deviation due to reflection? So what is the angle of deviation due to reflection? So this paragraph, the angle between the direction of incident ray and reflected ray is called angle of deviation due to reflection. So draw this diagram. Already we see the separate question, separate video, right? So write the diagram, write the sentences, derivation, write the paragraph and draw the diagrams and write this equation. So in the notation you can write what it is. That's all. So from this to this and this to this and this one and this one. Sorry, this one. Okay, this is for question number 1. So question number 2, derive the relation between F and R for a spherical mirror, focal length and radius of curvature. So book page number 6, 6.22, relation between F and R. That's all. So from this point to, let's see the center of curvature of the mirror. So point by point you can write. So you just eliminate these sentences. Okay, from this to this. And then this to page number 7. Okay, page number 7. From here to here. Okay, here to here. Wherever you need the diagram, you just draw it. So 6.9a. So this one is and this one. So what you, both diagram you have to represent. That's all. So completely page number 6, this content completely, this topic, that's what they are asking the second question. Okay, page number 6 and page number 7, the top. Third question, what are the Cartesian sign convention for spherical mirror? So page number 8, under the topic of Cartesian sign convention. So these 3 points, these 6 points, okay, these 6 points you need to write. The instant rate is taken as if it is traveling from left to right, object on the left of mirror. All the distances are measured from the pole mirror. The distance measured to the right of pole along the principal axis are taken as positive. The distance measured to the left of pole along the principal axis taken. Heights are measured upward to the axis perpendicular. Heights measured to one's perpendicular to the principal axis, there's a negative. So this is the answer. So fourth question, what is the optical path? Obtain the equation for optical path. So fourth question answer is in the page number 13. So 6.34 optical path. So with the definition. Suppose they are asking define optical path means this is enough. They are asking what is optical path. So what is optical means this is the answer. But obtain the equation for the optical path. So you have to derive. That's all. So optical path, the medium is defined as the distance light travels from in a vacuum. The same light travels from a distance in the medium. That's all. So you just explain how it is comes. That's all. So from 14 page top up to this point you have to write the topic completely. So fifth question, state Snell's law of refraction. Page number 14 we get that. So actually they are not mentioned in the topic Snell's law. Okay. I don't think, but this is the answer. So the answer is the law of refraction is called Snell's law. The law of the law of refraction is called Snell's law. The next point, the Snell's law states that the incident ray, these 2 points, the incident ray refractor and normal refracting surface are coplanar, lie in the same plane. The ratio of sine of incident from the first medium to the sine of angle of the second medium equal to the refractive index. So this equation. So up to this equation, that's all. Okay, so they are not mentioned in the Snell's law, but this is the Snell's law. The law of refraction is called Snell's law. These 2 points, this equation. That's all. Book page number 15. Okay. So next, what is the angle of deviation due to refraction? So book page number 15. Okay, the angle of deviation due to refraction. This paragraph, the angle between the direction of incident ray is called angle of deviation. Right. So all this diagram and this all up to this one, d is equal to r minus I with the diagram also. Okay, that's all. So from here, the complete topic from here to here. Okay. So next, what is principle of reversibility? Reversibility. So page number 16, this paragraph is enough. The principle of reversibility states that light will follow exactly the same path in the if its direction is time is reversed. That's all. So if you possible, you can draw the diagram if you are willing. Okay. So 8th question, what is relative refractive index? So book page number 16, relative refractive index. So you have to write from Snell's law. From Snell's law, write this. The term n2 by n1 is called relative refractive index. That's all. With respect to the first term, the second medium is with respect to first medium is denoted as n21 is equal to n2 by n1 up to this one. So first from Snell's law, write this equation. The term n2 by n1. That's all. So 9th question, obtain the equation for apparent depth. So from this, light from the object, book page number 17, light from the object of the bottom tank passes. So up to, you have to write complete, point by point, so you have to represent. Okay, draw this diagram, apparent depth, real depth, that's all. And from page number 18, so you have to write all these things. Instead of this 6.25, 6.2, equation, make equation number 1, equation number 2 like this. Okay, so don't write 6.25, 6.2 in your answer, make the equation 1, 2, 3 like that. So the answer is from here, all these things, and with the diagram, all these things, and book page number 18 up to this one, that's all. So 10th question, why do stars twinkle? So 2 points you have to mention. Due to refraction of light, first paragraph, page number 18. Due to refraction of light, different light atmosphere passes through atmosphere. So this paragraph and this, the same is also applicable for the position of the stars. Actually, the stars do not twinkle; they appear twinkling because of the movement of the atmospheres. So this is enough. Okay, this is enough. This is enough. The stars do not twinkle. From this point, we can note it out. Okay, this one is enough. 10th question. The stars do not twinkle; they appear twinkling movement of atmosphere with varying refractive indices, which is clear in the sky. That's enough. Okay. So 11th question, what are the critical angle and total internal reflection? So book page number 19, okay, this paragraph. See, critical angle. Put your heading critical angle. That's all. The angle of incidence in the density medium, which angle of reflection 90 degree. The refractory angle is this paragraph, and total interreflection this one. That's all. So 12th one, obtain the equation for critical angle. So first we have to write the definition. Okay, what is critical angle? Okay, after this, right, you have to write the two conditions for total interreflection takes place. This one. For the Snell's law is product the equation. The Snell's law. Okay, instead of this 6.19, write the equation. Becomes all these things up to this one. Okay, book page number 19. Next 13 question. Explain the reason for glittering diamond. So page number 20. Okay, glittering diamond. So make the point wise. So you put it as a point. Okay. So this one is 1 point. Put a star to make the points. Okay. So all this paragraph, complete the paragraph you have to write. So if you possible, draw the diagram. Okay. The physics wherever you can possible to draw a diagram, do it. That's all. Page number 20. Okay. Page number 20. This paragraph. That's all. Next question is what are the mileage and blooming? So in this paragraph, page number 21. In hot places, air near the ground is hotter than the height. The hot air loss is dense. Next, hence it is all these things as like a paragraph. Okay. Point by point. Okay. Up to this. After this completion with the height, because of this, the light all tree. No, this one is no need. Okay. Okay. This also. This one. So up to this one. After here. So what it means? This point also you can be. So from this point to this point. Okay. Completely write it with the point by point, not a paragraph. After for this one is for marriage. This one is for looming. So in the cold region, so don't need this place. In cold region, the glaciers and frozen take place. All these things. The diagram not to mention here. So looming. That's all. So up to this one you have to complete. So if possible, you can write it diagram. So next to 15%, write a short note on prisms making use of total interreflection. So page number 21, prism making use in total interreflection. Complete the topic. So up to this one. That's all. So next, what is Snell's law? See when the 16 question. Okay, when I later enter in this paragraph, 16 question, 22 page number. Up to this one to this one. Okay, they are asking the Snell's window. Okay, page number 22. Okay, Snell's window. So we get the answer. Next, 17. How does an endoscope work? 26 page. So 26 page number. This paragraph. Point by point, we have to write. So next, 18 question. How are primary focus and secondary focus of a lens? 13 page. So primary focus heading this paragraph and secondary focus this paragraph. Page number 30. Next 90 question. What are the sign convention followed by lenses? For lenses. So in the page number 30 also the sign convention are focal length for lenses. So these 2 points. That's all. Next 20th question. Arrive at lens equation from lens maker's formula. So in the 31 page, lens maker's formula, write the first one. Lens maker's formula, write this equation. Next, in general form, equation number 2, in general form. Okay, in general, write that equation from 1 and 2. Okay, then from above 2 equations, the lens maker curvature, 2 above equation, that's enough. Above equation, this one, 1 by v minus 1 by v over 1 by f. This is lens equation, which relates to the distance of up to this one. So only 3 equations. One, lens maker's formula is, write this equation. The general equation for refraction, refraction at a spherical surface is then this equation. So from the above equations, that's all. Write this equation. Then up to this paragraph. That's all. So 21, obtain the equation for lateral magnification thin lens. So lateral magnification thin lens, full complete topic. So up to 32 page. Complete topic. So up to this one. Next 22nd, what is the power of lens? So 33, they ask only what is power lens. So this one, the power of lens, the topic, the bold letters. Up to this one, you have to write a complete mark. So up to this. Page number 33. Next, derivative equation, 23 question, derivative equation for effective focal length of lenses for lenses in contact. So page number 34, focal length of lenses in contact. So complete this both sessions you have to write. Up to this, power of lens in contact. So from this to this. That's all. Next one is what is the angle of minimum deviation? 34 page. So this also 34 page number, right? So page number 40, the minimum deviation. Okay, that's all. Next 25 question is what is dispersion? Next 41 page, dispersion. That's all. This paragraph. So next one is how are rainbows formed? So write this answer here also. Rainbows is formed by dispersion of sunlight into its constituent colors by rainbow drops, which disperse sunlight by refraction and deviate the colors by total interreflection. This is the answer. Okay. Or you can write this also. Rainbow appears in the sky. A rainbow is seen when the sunset is at the back of the dispersion occurs sunlight when it enters the droplets into constituent colors. That's all. And the rainbow is formed. The rainbow is formed when light is entering raindrop undergoes to total interreflection. So you can write this answer, either this answer. That's all. Next to 26 question. 27. What is Rayleigh scattering? So in the page number 44, this paragraph, Rayleigh scattering, and this equation also you have to write. This is for 27. So 28th question. Why does sky appears blue? So this line, up to this. Okay. During the time, the violet color has the shortest wavelength, the most scattered. That's blue appear. That's why up to this point. That's all. So what is the reason for its appearance sky during sunset and sunrise? So this one during sunrise and sunset up to this one to reach our eye. That's all for 29th question. Next, why do clouds appear white? So 44th page number, clouds contains large amount dust appears. So appears cloud. So from this to this. That's all. So I hope we have completed all the short questions where we get the answers from the book content. Okay. Thank you.